Hello everybody, welcome to a video tutorial that explains how easily you can convert KML to AutoCAD drawing online using esurveycad.com. Prepare KML or KMZ file. Then log into esurveycad.com using your email ID and respective password. Select the KML option from Modules drop-down. Browse and select the KML or KMZ file to be converted. Click on the Convert to DXF file button. Wait for a while, and once the drawing is ready, the software will show 4 more buttons. Click on View button to immediately see the generated drawing. Click on the Download button in case if you want to download the drawing. Click on the Email button in case if you want to download the drawing later. When you chose this option, the program will email the file link to you. Please note that you have to download the required file within 24 hours. Later, these drawings are deleted forever from the application server. You can also generate a contour map, CAs, and LS drawings, create artwork reports, convert KML to drawing, download elevation from Google Earth, and download Google Earth image in your drawing file using esurveycad.com. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please explore our software, Road Infra Suite and Water Infra Suite. Using the Road Infra Suite, you can process the data right from survey. You can prepare contour maps, generate earthwork calculation in any grading project, prepare cross-section, longitudinal section, and do earthwork calculation for road, rail, canal projects. You can do highway design, prepare strip plan, and create plan profile drawing with ease. Using the Water Infra Suite, you can prepare water network drawings, do hydraulic design, and prepare execution drawings. Extract BOQ reports like 3D pipe length, bends, specials report. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos related to infrastructure engineering and design solutions. Click on bell icon to get notification on new videos. Please contact us at +919 4495999709 or email us at info@esurveying.net. Suppose you want to try the software for free. Book a free demonstration at esurveying.net.